Prayer by Ellen G. White. Chapter 10, Reasons to Pray. Reinforces our convictions. Our convictions need daily to be reinforced by humble, sincere prayer and reading of the Word. While we each have an individuality, while we each should hold our convictions firmly, we must hold them as God's truth and in the strength which God imparts. If we do not, they will be wrung from our grasp. Testimonies for the Church, Volume 6, page 401.